So massive, look good. I end up having to reach back at the Trump Tower. Yeah. So see it there. If someone that watch the live, you'd have see inside that not 1080, but we are going there now in a 4K style. We're gonna see the real beauty at the Trump Tower. Let's go inside here. Let's see.
Do it.
Show me what it looks like. The Trump Tower.
Come.
Alright. Man.
Your hand full of.
Oh my word, massive. Look good. I'm gonna take on the time to take a look. So, you don't know the Gucci store.
Rich.
Actually have a glass right there, so we can see. Why Jason, I tell you. What a beauty. Look, Trump Tower. I'm gonna take a moment to look on riches. When I come out here, I actually want to feel rich, be rich. In love, wealth, health, one bunch of things. Oh my word, it's beautiful. Oh my word. So what I realize is most of the walls and stuff are gold plated. Right now if you look at me in the glass, I'm gold plated.
Shining.
Look at me and Jason, we're gold plated. Look good.
Look good, no man.
Gold plated. Gina, wait there.
Yo, she waiting for you.
Lord Jesus. So look good.
Alright.
Yeah.
Trump Tower, TT.
Man, so I asked the person who worked here and he said them elevator they go to the commercial building.
Yes.
Yeah, so
And then
that's
they
great.
have residential where people live in here.
Yeah, cause Trump did live here, man.
Yeah, this is his home. One of them.
Imagine me can be so rich and me open my home. Oh my word.
45.
Look good. Look good. Marty. In a 4K style and all. Look good. Beautiful. Look on the elevator. Gold. I never did go upstairs. We see which this I go, so we are going to make a little look inside here. At least today, I don't hear Trump attack. I don't want to hear on the intercom attack. Man.
Go down the elevator.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Cool.
The place.
Oh, I know.
You are beautiful too.
Oh, thank
Don't get it wrong.
I'm 64.
Don't tell nobody else.
That's right. Thank you.
Man, thing. Look good.
45.
Wow.
So they got Trump Cafe, street, grill, whiskey.
Man, 45 wine and whiskey lobby. Alright, tell you what we are going to do. I never did go upstairs. See me do? I show them downstairs and they will just come around and go. So, we'll go down to the cafe. Right?
Okay, Trump.
I could show you what downstairs look like. So, him also have merch too. See the merch them there? The Trump merch. Marty. Man, look there. We're going to ride on the gold elevator. Look good, man. Escalator, right?
Yeah, escalator.
Gold escalator. Look good. Now let's sit down. Just hold on. Let's sit down. Sit down on the look good. Sit down on the gold escalator. Man,
You can't sit down. You gotta
that's
stand
rich.
up, brother.
That's rich.
Yeah, you gotta.
That's rich. That's rich. That's rich. Oh my word. We're walking on gold. Blessings and respect. That is it. Yeah. So this is the Trump store. Oh my word. So the Trump store. Yeah. This is the Trump store. So some of the stuff that he has in there. So yeah. This is the Trump store. Why you smell rich? Jeez, some beefs. Quick look around, I'm gonna see. So some books. Don't know what have over here. So what am I? T-shirt, Jason?
Yeah, t-shirt.
T-shirt.
You got.
Water bottle. Different colors and thing. Look good. Alright, we have over here, so these look like wallets, your cards and thing. Yeah, all them
Things
chunk.
for the grill.
Mad. Yeah. Over here, so you got like
Shirts.
shirts.
Nice shirt.
Yeah.
Shorts.
Mad. Oh,
Yeah,
rich
shorts.
shorts. Mad. See? Some more water bottles and thing. In the trunk. You know, we just have to do a quick video just to go through what's in there. Look good. I have teacup, you don't know, and then mark Trump, New York, these 10. Even glasses though.
Yeah, glasses.
Mad thing. Look good now, man.
Yeah.
Few look good jewelry too as well.
Boss City jackets.
We call them city jackets.
This one is sweaters. So you got some
Sweater.
sweaters over there.
And this are what? Same thing?
Same thing, sweater
Sweater.
over there at the Boss City.
Mad. How them man? Chum chocolate?
Yeah, it look like it.
Yeah.
Rich chocolate.
Plated with gold. Good day. You have some teddy bear and thing. I mean, shirt. Trump, New York.
This is for the
And,
kids.
oh yeah, can't leave out the kids them at all. Yeah, no joke. So yeah, quick look at synopsis. I know the Trump store, even bed slippers and thing.
Mm-hmm.
Jars, cups.
Look,
Yeah.
football up there. Like Trump football.
Watch out, a Trump football. Man thing. Yeah. Quick look at move through. Look good. Man. So we're rolling out. See all the famous at them, you know them always are wear them at them. Yeah. Man. Alright, so that's a quick little move through of the store. I don't know, cafe out or so now, no so. Get your sign. Have to get your sign. Man. What?
Pizza.
Pizza. Meatloaf, and they look good still, you know. Yeah, them don't look bad at all. You understand? Beverage, you don't know, you can get them juice anyway. Right. So the cafe up and running. Cafe up and running. Look good.
Chicken, bacon. Clean.
Man. And this is what they have in the cafe. A mad thing. So we're going upstairs. Let's go. And you have a next spot over here. What's over here? Oh, Trump Sweets. Man, it's nice. Wow. Trump Sweets.
Chocolate, candy, ice cream.
Go look for those, okay?
That's fine. Wow. Alright, she said close. I just started something. Yeah man, what on the Trump grill?
Oh, they got a grill. Oh, that's closed.
Grill is closed. Yeah, make a ride back the golden escalator. Watch your step, watch your step, watch your step. Come on, let's go.
Let's do this.
Hey, I had something for Jamaica there. That's it there? Gold plated escalator. Man. Watch your steps. You can't say I never walk it. Wonder what's upstairs. We'll just make a look quick look up the next floor before we continue. I don't know. Let's see. No scrollers permitted on escalator. Please use elevator. Let's go. Smooth. This is so beautiful. Really beautiful. Wow. Oh, almost reach. Let's go. Then turn off. The last time when we did it on the live up here, so I did close. So at least at the first we get to see up on this side. So it's actually another cafe or something. It look like. Yeah. That's what it looks like.
Nero Lab.
Oh. Is it? Italian
garden.
or in town.
Italian food.
Okay. It's beautiful. Wow. Different perspective. Look at that. Amazing. One Jamaica walk by in America. Outside. Beautiful. That is it, man. Yeah, you don't know we're there with Jason.
Yeah, man.
From Jason and Gina. Just
One and a half.
so I'm going to explore the thing. See me? Yeah.
Found the wire?
Yeah. Just after my iPhone.
I got an extra one.
Alright. Don't see as we go back. Bless up, respect, Jamaica. Yeah.
Nice.
So massive, the Trump Tower. That was a great little vibe, a great little look and thing. Walking on 5th Avenue. So we are going to continue 5th Avenue. I know we are going the direction where it will get less. Man. Respect Jason. Alright. So we're outside again.
Outside.
Yeah. So
How far 5th Avenue?
just a walk till we're dead. Alright.
So I can show you some things now.
What you mean? So yeah. So which one reach again? I know. When we there? On him up.
56.
You know it like your book at your head.
You ain't gotta.
So
You ain't gotta watch your phone no more.
where's that? Where's that? You there now?
I'm here, bro. No need to watch your phone.
So we just passed East 56th Street and we are going to 55th. So you said?
Yes, sir. We're going to all the way down to 42nd, maybe 34th. And then we hop on a train.
Right. So when we finish, you know the thing. So we might put away a phone. So this is us. My thing. So what I want to say about the Trump Tower? Was it beautiful? Or was the experience inside of it? The experience for me was out of this world the first time I went in there.
The gold is amazing.
Yeah, man.
The mango.
Look what this fashion. Damn.
Rich.
Oh my god, sorry mom. Like,
Yeah, that's fine. So this is 55th Street.
55th and 5th.
55th and 5th. Man.
That's St. Regis. This is a famous hotel. Very old.
Very old.
In movies and everything too.
St. Regis. That is it. I want to go in, I think I want to the cathedral them to the museum one on the left up going up. You know that one?
The big one over here.
Yeah, it's like a church or
When I was
something.
walking up, they just let people out. So hopefully,
Oh, probably locked then.
they probably had service. All the church people just left.
Man.
Yeah.
class. Class. Watch it look like some handmade watch. But you know what the thing?
Burberry.
Yeah, but you want to know what all of them do? Then look, you see them to me.
Yeah,
just watch. Okay. Burberry. Man.
This is Fifth Avenue where everyone like, oh, the rich area.
Yes, brother, you can see. Canada Goose. Canada Goose.
This is big in the winter time, especially in New York.
Big. How again? 54
and 5th.
Hello, yes.
54, 5th. What's going on there?
Oh, they got puppies. They got dogs.
Yeah, I think we should. I don't believe it.
No, we don't breed. I'm not a breeder.
I have the girl and
I
he
don't
has
have
the
the
boy. We live in
Instagram.
the same house.
Read the brachiality.
Wow.
Take a picture and send it to Gina.
Yo, you want put your pocket in a trouble. Put in your pocket into trouble. Beautiful.
What they going for?
Beautiful. How much they said it was
he
going
said
for?
3,500 for the gray and black one and 3,300 for the other one.
It's expensive dogs, man.
I ain't sending Gina that picture, Gina. You
Better
ain't-
not change your
watch it
mind.
for, no?
No, you can't take it back, you know. Can't rub out.
I'm about to delete
You have
this
to go
picture.
send it.
3,500, that's a lot of money.
Hey, the same joke my asked then. So the upper building catch fire, see?
Yeah.
And when the upper building catch fire, everybody stifle inside and dead.
Right.
Tell me why they dead.
Because they greedy.
No.
Why?
Go on again. I'll give you one more guess. So everybody in the Apple store catch fire. The fire catch a store, but then the fire kill them, you know. Then stifle in there and dead. You know why?
Why? Because they ain't get no alert?
No.
Why?
They don't have no windows.
Okay, that was it.
Yeah. They don't have no windows in there.
Yo.
Ah, got him.
Yeah, you got me.
Yeah.
No windows.
There's no windows in the Apple store, bro. Oh, God.
Let's cross this way.
Are we going the other side?
Unless you want to stay on this side.
Oh, yeah.
You got the church and then you got...
I just saw Nike, but I'm going to the Nike store.
Oh, you wanna
Yeah,
go
so
to Nike
probably
store?
gonna screw out. Oh, we got 15 seconds.
And every time when the white man...
Yeah. The white man, you have to work with the white man, you know?
Watch out for the white man.
The white man. Yeah. See white man there?
Yep.
Let's go.
That's all the lame on trying to So what was the next one?
Yes, brother. Survived. I will show this again.
It's called Unukulo. It's a Japanese,
Chinese brand.
and from
Yeah, brother. Yeah. So, we're go seeing at the Nike store. The Nike store looks really interesting, Jason. Yeah, man.
I don't think I've ever been inside that.
Are we are saying you never been inside there?
Yeah.
And you live here?
And I live here.
Easy, man. Nah, explore, not Jason. So the Nike store. Across the road. I don't know where I go. I'm gonna see white man. I say nothing, so I now move. Look away. So,
Don't want to get hit by no car.
not at all. See the Nike store there. So we're going looking at the Nike store. Good?
So you out across the street like a New Yorker.
No, man, New York, near jaywalk. We don't get that ticket there in Jamaica. Alright, so let's see what the Nike store has to offer.